Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a new actually I just got this earlier around 3. Open it. Of course. Wait, do you guys have a guess what we're going? Per month is karena di Indo itu 1 juta kan. Nah, per month kan 1 juta gitu loh. Tapi di sini $100 gini. Tapi itu 24 months, which is 2 years. Yeah. So ini iPad Pro, but 12.9 inch. Okay, so I'm going to fix this. It's 256 GB because they don't have like the 512 in stock, and you need to order it online. And don't mind my nails because my nails is kind of like this, because you know the fake nails that I got, like I showed you guys that, but like I removed it on my own and it's hurt a little bit, so when I remove it, but like then it's fine, it's getting better and it's not hard at all. Ready? Cheese. Kan tuh ini nah oke ya nggak bisa tuh, nggak bisa. That's my my bag and my chair and my computer, and this side is my my bag, and then I have bags there that I put all my bags there that I don't use. So yeah. Tada! Nih, ya kan? Nih. Cek. Oh, it's not heavy at all, but it's kind of like, it's thin. It's not like the iPad before, and it's thin, and it's not heavy at all. There's no way. Okay, so, and this is the camera. As you can see, that kind of like an iPhone. Gimana terus? Gini. Yes. So they have this. It's like this. Kan? Bagus ya, bagus. Oke. So, big banget sih. Gede banget, gede. And abis ini ada ini, apa tuh? Oh, and then it's come up with the Apple adapter, and the cord is different. It's all type C, even the charger, like when you have Apple iPhone cord, like it's different, like it's different from the usual we got. So I got this one also. Taran. So we're going to try. Yeah. Kalau sebelum open it nih. Wah. Sebelum ini katanya take me 3 minutes. Aku ada itu nanya itu Logitech akhir kan? Ini dan up top and then bawah atas bawah atas bawah atas bawah atas. Udah put tempered na guys. Clean dulu, clean karena ini special needs nih. Ya, and then ini tolong nih taran kan di situ ya. Oh bagus. Nah mirip iPad kan? Mirip laptop ya kan? Nah itu. Ini guys, gua ada belum ini Apple Pen tapi aku mau beliin di Apple Store di sini kan. Okay. I'm happy that I got, but I need to work really hard because I need to pay for my bills. Like I have a lot of bills. Okay kan? Makasih banyak senangnya udah temenin aku hari ini. And then ini gini sebelum udahan ini ya kan sabar ini gua ada ini mau lihat gak nah ini bagus